Good morning, middle school. Welcome to the kitchen where today Lulu is going to help us with some dishwashing and loading the dishwasher. So it's actually after dinner here, and unfortunately we ate about 2 hours ago, but somebody left their plates here. Ideally, you soak all your plates, or at least run water in them, either in a dish tub, or you can see here in the sink, I've just run some water and plugged it up. Plug the garbage disposal with one of these, because even a little bit of water helps that food from getting stuck on and gross. But go ahead, Lou. You can start scrubbing. And especially if you have a dishwasher like we do, you need to get the big pieces off so that they don't clog the trap in the dishwasher. But it doesn't need to be overly meticulous. In fact, you want to use less water and less soap on the rinsing piece and let the dishwasher do its job. That's the most efficient way. Things like water can just be dumped right out and loaded in. And loading the dishwasher is an art. You can take a look inside your dishwasher to see where the water comes from. Some of them come from the top, some from the bottom. Ours comes from the bottom, and you want each piece of flatware or...
Can I help?
Sure, you can help. Or the utensils to get a nice spray. Can you help load, Lou? Pearl?
I don't know.
Okay, here you go.
Can I have a little
So
bit
load
of...
them all the way over here.
Can I have a little bit of... I haven't had any today. Where's my water?
And then the beauty of the cookie sheets is that we covered them with foil while we made our fries. We had burgers and fries tonight. So it shouldn't be too caked on, baked on. Daisy, what did you have for dinner? Remember I said that was kind of a lot of ketchup.
Ketchup.
Okay, but remember that for next time, because that was way too much ketchup. And it is not its own food group. You can just wipe that right off, and you'll just let the dishwasher do its job. Good job, Lou. And ideally, just like with your laundry, each item you want to touch as few times as possible. So if you can bring it in and put it straight into the sink, or even rinse it and straight into the dishwasher, you'll save yourself time, effort, and energy. But if you've got a couple sisters, it's nice to have some help, and then you can assign somebody to clear, somebody to put away, somebody to wash, and somebody to load. Or even to dry.
This was in my stack.
Using a dish towel that's clean is one way to save on paper towel too. All right, you're almost done. I hope you guys continue to be super helpful at home and offer your services to your folks. Thanks. Have a good day.
Bye.